I want to show you something remarkable hiding inside broccoli sprouts. It's called sulforaphane, and it's not a drug or a supplement invented in a lab. It's a natural compound your body can use to activate its own cancer-fighting systems. When you chew broccoli sprouts, an enzyme called myrosinase converts a precursor molecule, glucoraphanin, into active sulforaphane. What happens next involves some of the most sophisticated defense mechanisms your cells possess. Let's start with detoxification. Inside each of your cells sits a protein called NRF2, normally kept inactive by another protein, KEAP1. Sulforaphane disrupts this partnership, freeing NRF2 to travel into the cell nucleus. Once there, NRF2 binds to DNA sequences called antioxidant response elements, or AREs. This binding acts like flipping a master switch. It triggers the production of phase 2 detoxification enzymes. Sulforaphane helps your body turn on special cleanup proteins that remove toxins, fix damage, and make harmful stuff easier to flush out. These enzymes grab carcinogens and toxins, attach molecules to them that make them water-soluble, and escort them out of your body. Now let's talk about inflammation. Chronic inflammation creates an environment where cancer cells can thrive. Sulforaphane modulates a protein complex called NF-κB, which controls inflammatory signaling. When NF-κB is overactive, it pumps out inflammatory cytokines. Sulforaphane helps dial down this activity, reducing the production of cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukin-6. But sulforaphane doesn't stop at prevention. When DNA damage occurs and a cell can't repair itself properly, that cell needs to self-destruct, a process called apoptosis. Sulforaphane enhances this process by activating caspase enzymes. Your immune system is constantly surveilling for abnormal cells, but cancer cells are experts at hiding. Sulforaphane supports the immune watchdogs, natural killer cells and macrophages that patrol your tissues looking for threats. At the same time, sulforaphane boosts your antioxidant defenses, protecting these immune cells from oxidative stress. When immune cells are healthy and alert, they're better equipped to eliminate emerging tumors. Let's zoom back to that NRF2 pathway, because it ties everything together. When sulforaphane enters your cells, the entire cascade begins, from KEAP1 release to DNA transcription to protein synthesis. These proteins work around the clock, neutralizing reactive oxygen species and breaking down carcinogens. The result is a cell that's far more resistant to the molecular damage that leads to cancer. Sulforaphane doesn't fight cancer by itself. It activates the systems your body already has, from detoxifying carcinogens and calming inflammation to helping damaged cells self-destruct and supporting immune surveillance. This compound works through multiple interconnected pathways. Understanding these mechanisms shows us that sometimes the most powerful interventions work with our biology, not against it.